Hi everyone, welcome to Nancy's Mediterranean Kitchen. Today I'm going to start a series of easy dishes. I will start with the first one, the Mediterranean salad, which is basically the Greek salad ingredients plus 3 more ingredients: chickpeas, mint, and garlic. Let's start. My ingredients are 4 small cucumbers, 4 medium-sized tomatoes, half an onion, 1 bell pepper, a handful of mint, 1 can of chickpeas, 2 garlic cloves, and I have 1 block of Greek feta cheese. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 lemon juice, and then 1/4 cup of olive oil. I'm going to start chopping all the ingredients into small cubes. So here is my salad bowl. I chopped all the vegetables. I put them into my bowl, and then I put the feta cheese, the salt, and the oregano. I'm going to give it a mix. It's very colorful, smells amazing, and it's very healthy. Then I'm going to add the garlic, then the lemon, then 1/4 cup of olive oil, and then mix again. Last but not least, a half a cup of Kalamata olives. I like to add them on the top for garnishing. And here is my amazing colorful salad. I hope you liked my episode today. I hope you liked the amazing Mediterranean salad. Please give it a try and let me know in the comments below how it goes. And see you next time.